Have you ever wondered how you can make money with AI effortlessly without being an expert? Well, in today's video, we're gonna cover just that. So let's dive in. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Salua. I've been working remotely for more than 8 years now, and I'm here to teach you how you can make money online so you can have the freedom to work from anywhere. So the first tool is, of course, ChatGPT or OpenAI. Well, Pablito. So if you haven't heard of ChatGPT, I guess you are living under a rock because ChatGPT is everywhere. But what if you could use it to make money? So we're gonna cover this. ChatGPT can help you with writing articles, creating social media posts, drafting email, and even generating ideas for YouTube videos. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. I personally use ChatGPT a lot, but I really want to emphasize, do not copy paste. Please verify, double check all the facts. Make sure that the information you're providing is accurate. Also, if you copy paste, there are tons of sites right now who actually can tell if your content has been AI generated. So if you do not want to use it for that purpose, just be careful. Next, let's talk about AI generated art. Just like websites like DALL-E or Midjourney create amazing art. I even have tried it myself. And you can use this art to create digital art to then sell on platforms like Etsy. It's honestly a fantastic way to earn an income online, but I have to warn you, it takes some time and work to start generating an income. So whatever ways you are deciding to pursue, make sure that you put in the work and you are patient and really build your audience before you can sell it to them. The next one on my list is offer AI content services. So what I mean by that is you would go on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, my favorites. The services that are in high demand are AI content writing, social media management, or even AI chatbot development. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. And by the way, if you want me to dive into one of those ways to make money using AI, please let me know in the comments. I'll read them all and I can do a deep dive about this topic, this specific topic. The next one I have is creating and selling digital products, whether it's AI generative design, templates, journals, coloring books. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Eh bien, comment ça fait? Say hello. Platforms like Etsy makes it really easy for you to reach out a global market. And again, if you want me to diving into Etsy, please let me know and I'll be happy to make a video about it. So there you have it. You have 5 ways to make money using AI. So let's do a quick recap. Number 1 would be content creation. You can utilize AI for writing and videos ideas. Number 2 is AI art. Generate and sell unique images. Number 3 is freelancing and offer AI related services online. Use platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Next one is YouTube. You can create what we call a cash cow channel or a faceless channel when you use only generative images for YouTube. And remember that if you do that, you have to include that into your YouTube description that it is AI generated. And my last one is selling digital products. Sell AI design items on platforms like Etsy. And remember, the key is to start small and to stay consistent. I know I've said that in so many of my videos, but it is so important. Build your audience, build trust, because people buy from people they like, know, and trust. AI is a powerful tool that can help you generate income with minimal effort. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start with your AI journey today. And let me know in the comments, is there any specific AI tool you are using? Let me know, I read all the comments. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to download my free guide, The Remote Income Roadmap, that will give you the benchmark to get started on how to make an income online. Again, thank you so much and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.